As a web designer, whether you're a beginner or experienced, you've likely struggled with centering a button using CSS. In this tutorial, we'll break down why it happens and show you exactly how to center a button in any layout. First, imagine you've written a simple HTML button. Then, in your CSS, you tried to center it by adding text-aligned center property to the button. However, nothing changes. The button remains on the left. Why? Because text-aligned center only aligns the content within the element. This means that you are centering the text inside the button, not the button's position on the page. To resolve this issue, you should include a button element inside the block-level element. Then, apply text-align center to the parent element, which in our case is a div with the class container. Following this, the button will be centered within the layout. If you're looking to center a button without needing to wrap it in another element. In CSS, just set the margin to 0 auto, and this will help evenly distribute the left and right margins, centering the button within its parent. However, for this to work, you must change the button's display property to block, as the default display property is inline block. With this, we've centered the button using the margin method. While options like flexbox, grid, or absolute positioning exist, sticking with this method is perfectly fine if it works for your needs. With this, we've reached the end of this short tutorial. Be sure to check out other awesome videos on my channel.